What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to make a group chat on Instagram through direct message. Now this is super simple. Obviously, to start this out, you're just going to open up your Instagram app. Now once you're in the app, you're going to want to go to your home page if you're not already, and then you're going to want to click the icon in the top right corner. Then you're brought to your DMs right here. In order to create the group chat, you're going to hit the icon in the top right corner again. Looks like a little pencil over a square. Then from here, you could create your group chat. What a lot of people don't know is they think you could just send it to one person. But as you can see, I'm just typing in the people in the group chat. And then you could click on their name and add them. And then every single time you want to add a new person to the group chat, you just type out their name and you could add them. As you can see here, I'm just adding a few random people for the sake of the tutorial. But obviously, it's going to be a lot more structured once you create your group chat. But I'm just typing some random people out here. Once I got my people in, you're going to hit the chat in the upper right-hand corner. And as you can see, I got an error there. If you have a famous account or even any account, you could disable adding people to the group chat. So you're just going to have to either have that person follow you back or just enable adding to the group chat if they know. As you can see, I'm in the chat right now. There's a bunch of different settings you could play with, but I'm going to make a separate tutorial going over all the different settings. But that's pretty much the basics of how to create your group chat. And then also, you can see at the top of the screen, right below the names, there's an option to name the group. That's pretty simple because the notifications are going to be pretty long, especially if you have a lot of people in the group chat. And if you could name it, you know exactly what's for. And it's a lot shorter and cleaner when you get the notification when somebody sent a message in the group chat. That's pretty much all there is to it, though. If you have any questions or were confused regarding the group chat Instagram direct message features, be sure to drop a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.